Hey guys, I'm going to show you today on how to replace the G182 sensor on a 1.8T Passat. This is basically the vehicle speed sensor, and it's this one right here. Alright, first we are going to remove 3 screws, Phillips head, one here, the other one here to remove the coolant reservoir. Now we are going to pull it towards you. Then we are going to remove this sensor right here, unplug it, and put this on the side right here. Put that right there. And the sensor that we are going to change is located down there. I hope you can see it. Let me point it out. Is this one here, right here. Just take that. Hold on, let me get a good shot. And unplug the wire. And let me zoom out. The sensor is right there. That one with 2 pins. All you need to do, I don't know if you can see my hand. You're going to pull down and twist it to your left, and it should pop right out. And just pull it out. Alright, now you can see it right there. Just pull it out. Here you go. Now get your replacement. Same thing. Just stick it in there. Pull it. Pull this down. Hold on. There you go. Just plug it back. Just plug it back in. And that's it. Just put this back, put the sensor back on it, and be good. Alright, hope it helps.